Today we're going to be walking through how to use the Ad Inserter plugin within WordPress to put Ezoic placeholder code onto your website. Start by installing and activating the Ad Inserter plugin. After it is activated, go to your WordPress settings and click Ad Inserter. This is where we are going to add the placeholder code and customize the locations to get the placeholders where we want on the website. The first thing we must do is generate the Ezoic code for placeholders. Navigate to your Ezoic dashboard and select the Monetization tab. Here, scroll down to the Add Tester section. Select New Placeholder and then select where you want the placeholder to be. We will start with top of page. Click Save. Now copy this code and return to the Ad Inserter plugin. Paste the code into Ad Inserter. We can now customize where we want this placeholder to show. Posts is automatically selected, but we can include static pages, the home page, search pages, category pages, or tag/archive pages. Next, you will need to change the insertion. We will do before the post for this example. Ensure to align all of your placeholders to center. Once completed, click Save. To go through the next steps, you will need to have the Ezoic Chrome extension added to your browser. Ensure you are logged into your Ezoic account and then visit your site in incognito mode. This step is necessary or the Chrome extension won't work if you are logged into WordPress. Activate the Chrome extension and select Update Placeholders. Then click Create and then select Location. This will activate the Automatically Detect feature of the Chrome extension, and it will detect the placeholder you've implemented using Ad Inserter. Now we will insert more placeholders. Let's add one under the page title. Copy the code and return to the Ad Inserter plugin. Select the To block and paste the code here. Update where you would like the placeholder to be added, and then save. You can return to your website in incognito mode and refresh the page to see the new placeholder. After these two placeholders, we will want to begin adding placeholders into the content. This includes under first paragraph, though it is not necessary that this placeholder is actually set under the first paragraph. However, it is necessary to use under first paragraph before under second paragraph, and so on. We will have this placeholder show after paragraph 2. After under first paragraph, we will use under second paragraph and have the placeholder show under the fifth paragraph. Center the placeholder and then save. We recommend adding placeholders every 3 to 5 paragraphs, depending on how long your content is. If it is long, you can add in more placeholders between paragraphs. The minimum placeholders you should have are as follows: one at the top of the page, under the page title, under first paragraph, under second paragraph, 3 to 5 mid-content, 3 in the sidebar, and 1 at the bottom of the page. Remember, placeholders are just where an ad could show, not where an ad will show every time. The more places Ezoic's AI has to test, the better, so it is important to implement at least 10 to 15 placeholders. After we complete all of the placeholders within the content, we want to place one at the bottom of the page. For this placeholder, we will insert the placeholder after the post. Center the placeholder and save. Now, let's look at how all of these placeholders look on the site. Return to your incognito window and reactivate the Ezoic Chrome extension. Click the settings buttons once more and then update placeholders. Now we can see all of the placeholders we just added in Ad Inserter. If you need to go in and edit any of the placeholders, you can simply click this drop-down menu and edit the sizes allowed to show, whether an ad should show on this particular page, or sort through the different ad sizes to see how they will look.